The Rashomon effect is a phenomenon in which different people have contradictory interpretations of the same event or experience. It is named after the 1950 Japanese film, Rashomon, directed by Akira Kurosawa, in which four different characters provide conflicting accounts of a murder. The Rashomon effect can occur due to a variety of factors, including differences in perception, memory, bias, and interpretation. It can also be influenced by cultural and societal factors that shape people's worldviews and values. The Rashomon effect is often used to explore the subjectivity of truth and the limitations of individual perspectives. It highlights the complexity of human experiences and the challenges of accurately capturing and representing them. In today's world, the Rashomon effect has become increasingly relevant in the age of social media and the proliferation of alternative facts and fake news. It underscores the importance of critical thinking, skepticism, and the need for diverse perspectives and sources of information to arrive at a more accurate understanding of events and issues. What is the Rashomon effect? Rashomon is a 1950 Japanese film directed by Akira Kurosawa, one of the most celebrated filmmakers in the history of cinema. The film is based on two short stories by Ryunosuke Kitagawa, Rashomon, 1915, which provides the setting, and In a Grove, 1922, which forms the basis for the plot. Rashomon is known for its innovative narrative structure, which presents multiple perspectives of the same event, leaving the truth ambiguous and open to interpretation. The story is set in 12th century Japan and revolves around the murder of a samurai and the rape of his wife. The film presents four different and conflicting testimonies about the incident: the bandit who is accused of the crime, the wife, the samurai, through a medium, and a woodcutter who witnessed the events. The narratives are not consistent with each other, and the viewer is left to question the truth and reliability of each account. Rashomon had a significant impact on world cinema, introducing Kurosawa and Japanese cinema to a global audience. The film won the Golden Lion at the 1951 Venice Film Festival and received an honorary Academy Award for Most Outstanding Foreign Language Film in 1952. The term, Rashomon effect, has since been used to describe the phenomenon where different witnesses or participants provide contradictory accounts of the same event, highlighting the subjectivity of perception and the elusive nature of truth.